ask the canter right.
That's nice. Deborah, your pictures and videos are fun.
Good.
Oh, good.
Good. There.
I try. It doesn't have a lot of memory, so I can just get a little
Canter.
bits of everybody, but...
Canter up. Good. Good. Outside rein. Outside rein. There you go. And allow her. Touch, touch. Touch, touch. Yeah, a little forward. This is a little looking. Good. Not too much in. Left rein. Right whip. Right whip. Right
Other
whip.
right whip.
There.
The other
There.
The other right whip.
Left rein, not
That's
too
me.
much on the right rein.
Oh, it's hitting
It
on the right,
folds her a little
right,
bit,
yeah.
and then the canter gets really hard for her. There. There. This is better. Good. Touch, touch on the right. Yeah. Use your left elbow. Outside elbow, not outside. Outside. There. There, you want to pull her a little bit with the inside rein and make her really bendy in the canter. I want her to be straighter in the canter. So it's going to be the left rein and the right whip, not too much neck bend. When we first started, you wanted to really take her in the neck bend, and she's like, I can't. You know, it makes her low a little bit because it dumps her on the right front. So I want her to be a bit straighter. She can be a little bit jumpier on the hind end. Yeah, she says that. She says that's about all I've got today. It's good though. I mean, don't panic if she doesn't jump into the canter every time. You know, she kind of cruises like that a little bit for a while. That's okay. You know, let her. I would rather see her a little bit, you know, kind of sluggy into it, relaxed, rather than spank her, and make her, upset going into the canter. Right now I feel with her that you want to keep her quiet. We don't want to make her tight. We want her to think, relax, which she is definitely doing. Oh, this is really good. Yes. Yeah, she's really figuring it out. Yeah, she says, oh my God, she's hovering by the gate.
Well, I ride alone all the time, so I have a parking spot.
Yes.
And so she'll go when she's done. I want to park.
To the parking spot. Yeah, mine know that too. You go by the barn and to go out to the road and they're horrified. You missed the parking spot, dummy.
Where are we going?
Here, if you want, I'll hop off.